Satnam Aloha. So, you must have noticed the great changes that we're experiencing on the planet right now. Well, there's an invisible evolutionary force that's driving humanity towards great change. And the area that will be affected the most will be within our relationships. So, what's this Aquarian relationship about? Well, it's not just about our romantic, intimate relationships. This is all of our relationships. And perhaps you yourself have gone through separations, right, from maybe your primary partner or other people that have been important in your life. They're just not around anymore. Maybe you've witnessed this even with your friends, right? This is perfectly normal for 2024, as this is a major theme with the energies of Libra, Aries, the karmic axis, the South Node, North Node, all year until January 2025. So this means that this year we're in the school of relationships. This includes our marriage partner, a business partner, our friends, our work colleagues, our bosses, our clients, family members, and even our children. So no longer will we be unconsciously genetically motivated to be with certain people. Genetics has not cared one bit if we're happy, fulfilled, or spiritually and emotionally nourished. Genetics only cares if that person is different enough than you to spice up the genetic gene pool. This is all people, all relationships. So this was to ensure that the great mutation of humanity could happen for 2027. Karma had to be paid to clear up the debts of our ancestors. And do you ever wonder sometimes, like, why certain people are together? It makes no sense. Or maybe after your own breakups, why on earth was I with that person? Why was I so attracted to them? Well, human design, gene keys, and astrology can answer those questions for you. This is sacred knowledge, right, that can empower you to not repeat your past and enter your new relationships correctly, or recorrect the ones you find yourself in now, or at least untangle yourself for them. It's about becoming conscious of yourself. So, one of the main tasks that people on the spiritual path are doing right now is moving through the deconditioning process. And we've been fed a lot of propaganda about our relationships, as did our parents and our grandparents and our great grandparents, and so on and so on. So, propaganda has to do with the conditioning we received, the conditioning of our mind. So, the new evolved Aquarian relationship is a completely different animal. This relationship can help you to grow and evolve. It's not about paying karma. It's about awakening to your true nature. It's about learning to love without conditions, really opening your heart to another, and to heal your love wounds, maybe this lifetime and your past lives, and to enrich your human experience here on planet Earth. So there's a lot more to say about that with the future of relationships that will be covered in this online retreat. So in this next 400-year cycle, you have to enter all relationships as yourself. And we haven't been taught that. We don't even know what it is. So most people on the planet, they enter into relationships as their not self. And the not self is the false identity that we create. Many of us create this false identity in childhood in order to cope in this world. And this follows us into adulthood and creates suffering. So signs that the not self is in the relationship realm is you feel like an outsider, like you never can really fit in anywhere. You're a people pleaser. You seek validation and approval from others, and you give away your power. You have no sense of true identity. You fear confrontation or any constructive criticism. You choose people who neglect you, either through workaholism or other addictions. You're attracted to the weakness or the victim in other people. You take on too much responsibility for others and not yourself. You feel guilty if you stand up to others. And you're addicted to the stress and the drama within relationships that you mistakenly call, well, this is passion and excitement. You confuse feelings sorry for someone with love. And you want to rescue and fix others or be rescued and fixed yourself. You're numb to your feelings and emotions. You can't express. You have low self-esteem and low self-worth. You have a debilitating inner critic. You're your harshest critic. And you cling to unsuitable relationships in order to not feel abandoned or rejected. So who is this retreat for? It's for beginners. You can be a beginner of Kundalini Yoga and meditation, or a beginner in human design in your study of the gene keys. Or you're just a person that's looking for long-lasting change and feel that you're on the cutting edge of these new Aquarian relationships. So it doesn't matter if you're single or already coupled up. This new Aquarian relationship paradigm is not 1 + 1 = 2. It's 1 + 1 = 11. These are the power couples. So what you'll learn, you're going to learn the psychology that's behind the birth of the not self. You're going to learn how to release these patterns that play out within your relationships now. And according to your chart, you're going to learn where to specifically go to unlock your hidden power and gift that was blocked and repressed from your childhood. So you'll learn according to your chart how you're specifically designed to bond with others sexually, creatively, and emotionally. So this is about your type and your profile and specific gates and channels within your chart. So this is perfect for you to learn about yourself and also the placements within your close friends and your significant others. So you'll want their charts too. And also using the powerful technology of Kundalini Yoga and meditation to release the conditioning at the cellular level. So the retreat really provides a tight container, a tight energetic container for you, so that you have a deep healing experience of your authenticity and your partner's authenticity, or others, right, that are important to you. You'll learn about them. And then what does this bring? Well, it brings harmony, it brings compassion, it brings understanding within your relationships. So this is a mutative experience. And what does that mean? It means irrevocable change. So you have to be up for it, for this kind of intensity. And remember that you own all the material of the retreat so that you can go over it again. So there'll also be a group integration meditation a week later so that you can integrate the experience through the week with your fellow participants. I call this re-entry, and I talk you through that process. So generators and manifesting generators, I want you to tune into your sacral, and I'm going to ask you, do you want to attend this upcoming Aquarian relationship retreat? Is it correct for you to attend? Now go to your sacral, and it's your sacral saying yes or no. And this is what you obey. That's your strategy. Projectors, I'm recognizing you as the new Aquarian leaders, the new guides for this new age. I'm recognizing you as a guide to help the other. And so I'm inviting you to attend this retreat. Manifestors, I did it. I'm sharing with you all this information that I'm presenting a retreat on relationships. So just listen for a divine download of inspiration. Reflectors, this is important information for you to know, for you and all of your relationships. Very important for the reflectors. So I look forward to seeing you there. Okay, as we move forward into this new relationship paradigm. Very exciting news. Okay. Sat Nam Aloha, everyone. Bye-bye.